Hello, my name is Francisco, and the purpose of this video is to show kernel debugging using the DS5 debugger. So first, what we need to do is to have our kernel enabled with debug symbols. In order to do that, you just go to the kernel hacking section, and then you just tick. Okay, let me. In this case, just to clarify, it depends of your menu config, but we need to see something like compile kernel with the book info. Here it is, and then we just build. And of course deploy to the SD card or whatever media you want to use to boot your kernel. So once you just achieve that, you create a profile, and we need to add some instructions like we want to use the platform, the quad board. This is the board I'm using right now, and the type of project has to be kernel debug, the core number where we want to connect to, and this is a reference to my USB RealView ICE box, which I have here with me. As you can see, here it is. One important thing you must not forget is this path. This is the path of your VM Linux with your debug symbols enabled. So once you just chip that, you just hit the book. And it's doing its thing. Okay, and it connects. Sometimes it doesn't connect. Well, it connects, but it doesn't show you any functions here. So in fact, most of the times it fails loading the VM Linux symbols, but this time it succeeds. Let's what I wanna show you something very quick. I'm gonna look for a function I want to debug. Oh, for any reason my keyboard just changed to English. Just show the source code. Just put a breakpoint, and then here I have already done that before the video, so again it just changed. And then I hit enter. Any activity happening on the serial subsystem, which is, well, the serial core is part of it. The serial subsystem inside the kernel, something is going to be triggered. Oh, the core is halted. This is why we cannot type anything. So I just resume the core, and as you can see, we are now in the serial core UR write function, and we just can step into do whatever we want. What we also can do is just to see, for example, the local variables, and this is the string I'm just sending from my terminal here, and this is what the serial core component from the kernel is in the buffer is receiving. So you can do more complicated things. For example, have multiple debug sessions. Here, for example, I can connect to my GDB server. Once it run, we configure for running, and we can have like a we can debug a user space application and debug the kernel in one run. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.